Sejal. Welcome to another vlog. I have missed vlogging, you guys, and I am so happy to pick up the camera again and keep vlogging. Thank you guys for loving the last couple of vlogs that I posted, the Taylor Swift vlog, the Spain vlog, and the music video vlog. So today, I've basically taken an off, guys. I'll explain. For my content creator work life, I used to be signed with agencies before. If you guys have no clue how this industry works, either you can work with an agency and they get you brand deals and stuff like that, or you can hire your own people. And I thought 2 years ago, end of 2023, I was ready to hire my own people. So I left the agencies and I hired my own people. So I have a small team of 6 people. 2 are full-time and the others are on contract basis, but still I have to run it like a full team, and we have a very systematic process to do it. And we have offs that people can take, and today I have taken an off because I was just feeling tired and I needed a day to myself. But still I'm vlogging because suddenly, with no deadline on my head to answer WhatsApp messages, I have a surge of energy to do shit. We're basically doing a meet and greet in Mumbai. So we did a meet and greet in Jan when I released my last song, Masoomia. And we called it, this is totally inspired by Taylor Swift, Secret Sessions. And we're calling it Sejal's Inner Circle, okay? We spent a lot of time कि क्या बुलाएं इस property को, it's a new concept, right? क्या बुलाएं इसको, we have no idea, but my broadcast channel on Instagram is called Sejal's Inner Circle. हमने ChatGPT पे इतने searches करे, but इतने वाहियात name suggestions थे. So we decided to call it Sejal's Inner Circle, and that's what we're doing. So there are some lovely people who have been engaging with my content over the years, and I'm so grateful for all of those people. So we basically sent an invite for this event to them as early bird on DMs, specifically to these people, and also on my broadcast channel, we released the form to sign up first. So whoever came on board there was given priority, and then we released the form on my stories. So so whoever wanted to sign up, and this one's in Mumbai. So we have 70 people who are coming, which is epic. I'm so excited. It's going to be so much fun. We also have a sponsor this time. So, we've made it fully amazing for us business wise, because we want to keep this free for people who come, at least for now, till we build this up a little bit more. But for us, it's an investment to get the location, to pay for the guitarist who's going to sing with me, flights, la la la. So we want to make that money back. So we have a sponsor on board this time, which we're so proud of. Varsha, who's my brand manager, worked so hard to get a sponsor on board, and it's so cool because we built this up from scratch, and it makes me believe that our little team of strong women can do this. मेरे को flights book करनी है for myself and my 2 team members who are going to be going to Mumbai. Vinod, who's the guitarist, and our new production manager, Sakshi. Muskan was our production manager for almost a year, but she had to leave because she is pursuing CAT studies. But we had a little farewell party for her yesterday, and it was really sad, but everyone has to go their way. So yeah, that also happens when you're running a team. I am such a daredevil. I'm using my phone without a cover, and tempered glass की जो धज्जियाँ उड़ चुकी है ना. So I booked my cab. I am ready to go for my therapy session. I've been working with a life coach for the last 2 years. A lot of you guys have asked me about my spiritual journey that I'm on. To give you some context, I have been doing meditation almost every day for 1 hour since April 2023. That's a huge achievement, and a lot of my mental patterns have changed. I was going through such a rough time, I feel like, since 2016. In my videos, dikhta tha, but I would try to, be my best self and whatever. Sometimes when I watch my old videos, I know what I'm going through, but I'm trying to portray a very positive image. But props to me for that, to be able to fight through. But I started working on myself. I went for a retreat to Goa with the life coach. She does mix between spirituality and quantum physics for manifestation, law of attraction. If you guys are interested about this, read any book or watch any video with Joe Dispenza in it, and you will understand this whole vibe. And I feel so fascinated by this new thing that I've learned over the last 2 years, and I've completely changed, and I look at success and life and my relationships in such a different way, and I'm growing every day. So I have a one-on-one session with her today, and she has a really nice center in Chhatarpur, so I'm going there. Alright, I'm leaving. This is my outfit. Vibes are a little bit cool and boho, like this jewelry and these nails just make me so happy. And I think this is my style, like elevated but chill. And I'm wearing my Fendi bag, which I think goes pretty well with these vibes. And a lot of you guys have asked me about these stickers. So basically, I got these from the retreat that I went for, and they're for each chakra. So I am doing a lot of solar plexus chakra these days, and the affirmation for that is I am powerful to not be a victim to anything, no circumstances, no results, nothing what people say. It's like a reminder. I'm working on it. Alright, I have made it. It's actually in such a beautiful part of Delhi. I love this area. Dude, I really love Delhi, yaar. I learned the value of like home, kinda. Okay, I'm here. I'm gonna do this. So I just got done. It was very nice. A good reminder for me to be grateful and just count my blessings. Like, I'm so lucky I have a YouTube channel where I can post stuff that I like, and I've had such a long and successful career, and I'm in this beautiful place. I'm with my family and I'm doing projects that I love. I'm going for a meet and greet where people are coming to see me sing a song that I wrote, and I get to just create stuff that, shit man, there's so much to be grateful for. And जब आप grateful होगे तो और अच्छी चीज़ें आएंगी. To be grateful for, you know, the law of attraction, what you focus on grows. So it was a good reminder to keep doing that. And yeah, very nice cafe in Gurgaon. And I've just come here for like a solo date situation. I'm just gonna sit here, eat by myself. I am gaining more confidence vlogging in public. I'm just gonna sit here, eat by myself, think about life and content and just chill. I ordered this banana cream latte and it looks so cool and interesting. I cannot wait to drink. Okay, the other thing I ordered is this paella. Oh my god, this looks so good. This reminds me of me and Bharat in Spain and the paella that we had there. मैंने उसके लिए order किया है. I wish he was here, sitting in that chair. Okay, so the meet and greet is tomorrow, and we are doing a last minute call, just going over details about what's happening. Varsha, say hi. She's our brand manager. She's put this event together and also got the sponsor, like I mentioned. It's the day. पापा आ गई है लिफ्ट. क्या हो रहा है बाहर? One person शर्म आनी चाहिए. सब cheer करो. Let's go. All right. Bye. I made it to the airport and I always come so early. For an 8:55 flight, I reached here at 7 a.m. You know, people are like, why do you come early? But I don't like to rush. I want to chill. I got myself a matcha because today is a statue day, so we are celebrating fun vibes. Let's do this, man. I'm actually not nervous at all. Maybe a little bit, but guys, Vinod is here.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're playing together today, and he's giving me advice on how to make my music get more streams.
Well, it's important, right? It's very
You're
important.
talking to a YouTuber, okay? मुझे views से addiction है. So I joined a course with a life coach, and she has Saturday classes, so I'm missing that today. So I'm on the group, and साथ I'm making notes about improving my thinking patterns and growing. वो भी चल रहा है साथ. And बारिश हो रही है यार. I'm not nervous at all.
You're not nervous at all?
Nervousness.
Wow. Pro. Sejal is a pro now.
Check back in 1 hour. Yeah, pretty fun. मजा आएगा. Hi guys, so we made it to the venue. Me and Vinod are rehearsing, and it's this meet and greet, Sejal's inner circle we're calling it. It's such a glow up from the last one because we have a backdrop and we're doing this in partnership with Zomato. so that's awesome. We've tried to incorporate Yakin music video elements in the decor. So you know the colors and there's clouds, so it's quite lit.
Even the vibe. I mean, the vibe is amazingly well recreated. And अगर music video नहीं देखने जाकर देखो.
Yeah.
अभी.
Can you explain what are you doing?
Vocal warm up.
Oh.
So we are at the washroom. Needs lip tea. So the way we've done this is that few of our viewers have also become volunteers to help figure this event out. And the washroom is the only space here where you can just, you know, take a second. So she's helping me out and I'm doing my makeup in the washroom. Okay, I'm sitting out here waiting for everybody to come because of the rain. Lots of people have come, they're already outside. I am just waiting for everyone to show up before I go. I'm just sitting by myself. I'm hiding Ariana. We're waiting for people to come today.
Yeah, we are very excited to meet you. Come fast, Sejal.
खाली खाली है बैठे आँखों में है जो मैंने कह दिया ला 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 थामा हारों का इसको किसने हाय तो बहता पानी कैसी पहेली है कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी
Back from that like shitty phase that I was in, I think like I wouldn't have been able to grow as a person at all. This is when I had no self-belief, so hence Yakin.
कहाँ यकीन है खो गया करीब से मैं ढूंढती ज़मीं को सुबह गए
I forgot the lyrics of the second verse. Quick Google. I'm serious. This is for my vlog. See you at home. Bye. Okay, we're at the airport and I'm so happy with today's experience. Like I enjoyed performing this. The people who came have been watching this for years and years and years and are still connecting and gave me the most beautiful words and I genuinely appreciated it and I got so much encouragement and it's just motivated me to go on and on and on and never stop being authentic. It filled my heart and I got beautiful gifts as well. It was awesome. It was really, really awesome. And thank you to whoever came and who's watching. And I promise to never doubt myself again. That was the biggest learning that I got from today. And to open my heart, like I feel that when I get appreciation, sometimes I go like this. But today I was consciously reminding myself, ki seedhe khade ho. And I felt a lot. So that was great. Great day. And that's it. See you in the next one.
Thank you for shaping my childhood. So excited. I've been waiting for this day.
I really like her singing. Like I've been following her from like the shopping era and everything. To be honest, I didn't know she was coming here, and today's my birthday, and it just felt so nice to like see her. Like it was surprising, to be honest. Yeah.
She wanted to chase you, I wanted to chase you. So we are so excited to meet you.